Hi everyone, I just wanted to make another video because I did more things to this journal. So nothing new on that except for I added more dangles to the book here. And so basically it's one of these Tim Holt hooky thingies. And so you just unhook it like that. And then I sewed this because I felt like it needed it. And there's another one I sewed too, but that's the same. Oh, I added fringes too. That's the same. I decorated more of the envelope pockets, and I decorated these pages too, so you can write on there. And then on the back I added a flower here. I added a fabric flip. And here's another one that I added a flower to. And this one I just added it to cover the envelope basically. This one I didn't do anything to because I liked the way that it looked. I did cover the back so you can write on here. This I added a little tab to. And I added a little bunny napkin to this. Excuse my cat. I added flower and some decorations to this, and a bunny on this side with some buttons and some lace. Another napkin bunny. And I didn't do anything to this. And I didn't need to do anything to this. Maybe I added this. Can't remember. Might have, yeah. I just did some like finishing things that I thought it just needed a little bit more on. Like this one I added too. And then here's the other envelope. I added little tabs on the ends here. Thought it looked cute. And this I added because this was plain before, and this I added as well. And this one I added to the envelope and did this on the back. And these both have tabs on it, and both right on the back. It looks cute, like sticking out like that too. This one I didn't add anything to. This one I added to, so you can write on the back, and sunflower on the front. This one, I forgot it was a pop open, and I sewed it because I felt like it needed sewing. So then I created it into just a little pocket, and I added this little card in here. And that's it. That's all that I did on added. And I feel like it's definitely complete now with the fringes and the empty spaces that I still had. So yeah, definitely complete. And more danglies basically. Yeah. So alright, that's all I wanted to share. I've been working on this, and then working on ephemera and like stuff like that. So yeah, I'll share more later. I have been working on my book of shadows too, like different ones, so I'll share that as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.